Hello, I'm James, one of the service techs here at Family RV in Ontario, California. We're going to get you started here on setting up our propane tanks. First of all, a couple of things that use propane would be our stove and our oven. Water heater also uses propane, and our refrigerator. So in the beginning of our camping trip, one of the things we want to do first is start with turning on our propane tank. So on the top here, we have a couple arrows that indicate which way is on and which way is off. So I'm going to turn on this tank here, just simply turning this knob until it all the way goes on until it stops. Then I make sure my selector valve here is pointed to this tank. So I always have a reserve tank handy while I'm camping. So right now I'm only using this tank. So step one will be turning it on, making sure it's all the way on, and step two would actually go to our gas stove and we bleed our air out so everything will work properly off our propane. Because this is not a pump pumping the propane to our trailer. It is a gravity-fed airline. In order for me to draw that propane to the trailer, I need to open up my propane line as far as the oven. Okay, so we've turned on the propane in the front of our trailer and we've selected the tank we want to use. Now step two is to come inside your trailer and locate your gas stove, and now we're going to attempt to light our gas stove. Now, when we come here and light our gas stove, it's probably not going to light at first. We're going to get a couple of sparks where nothing happens. That's fine, because right now air is coming through and we need to bleed that out so we only have propane. Now, once the propane is through your line, you will see fire here at your gas stove. Now, some trailers, it may take a minute, may take 2 minutes, may take 3 minutes. But the point is, once we have propane here, now everything that uses propane will work with no problems. Keep on bleeding it out. And now if this doesn't work, a lot of the times maybe we forgot to turn on our propane tanks, or maybe our tank that we selected may be empty. So we need to look at that if it's not sparking after, let's say, 4 or 5 minutes.